Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is Deepankar, and today in this video we are going to talk about how we can launch an Omniscript from LWC. And we are discussing this in the context of introduction of the latest Omniscript standard designer in the Spring 25 release. So earlier what used to happen, there used to be a button how to launch, and if you just click on it, it's usually shows us the component tags for both LWC and Aura component, and we can simply use that. However, this documentation is not here. I hope they include it in the future release, but for now they have provided the documentation in their official help article, and here it shows how we can launch an Omniscript from an LWC as well as the Aura component, right? So let's go back to our Omniscript designer. So this Omniscript has very minimal configuration, nothing's very specific. This has a text block and it has the name of account that we are extracting from the data mapper. And let me just review this for your reference. So basically I have given the context ID and it just shows a text block with the name of the account, right? Let's go back and just create our LWC component, and we'll see how we can embed this Omniscript inside that LWC. So I'll just to save the time, I'll just use the Lightning Studio, and here we can just come and create an LWC. Go to file and then select Lightning Web Component. We'll just give it as demo LWC, and for the master level let's give it a name so that we will be able to find it out easily. We can give Omni Studio demo LWC wrapper. We'll expose it, we'll include in the record page, and we'll simply click on deploy. Now what we are going to do over here is that let's come back and just copy this thing, and now we'll see this one, and here we'll just paste this. Now the thing to notice over here is that all these things are optional except the type, subtype and language. In our case, the type is Deepankar, the subtype is test, and the language is English. So we'll do the same thing. We'll just give the type, we'll give the subtype, and for the language we'll write English. And if you notice over here, we are also using the context ID, right? So that should be the part of prefill, right? So what we can do over here, we can just come to here and write prefill, and this prefill we can use it as a getter. So I'll just show you how we can use it. So we'll just go to the JavaScript, and for that we need the record ID, right? So we need the API decorator. We'll just get the record ID and we'll create a getter, and we'll return a object, the same thing like context ID equals to this just record ID. And to be able to make it render for only once, what we can do, we can use a getter for show Omniscript, and we will show this Omniscript only if the record ID is present, right? So we'll return if this dot record ID, if the record ID is present, we will return true, else we will return false. Now we can use this prefill, right? And we can also use this show Omniscript just to render it conditionally. Now we'll just simply write a template, right? Template if true variable, and we'll just close it. Okay, the next thing that we are going to see over here is the namespace. In our case, I am using an education cloud trial, so for that case the namespace is OmniStudio in my case, and mostly it should be no OmniStudio for all of the use cases, but let's say you are using something other namespace, you can just refer that as well. Let's recap this again. So we are using the wrapper with the type, subtype, language, and for the prefill we have created a getter, and there is no specific configuration that we have done in the meta XML file. Earlier what used to happen is that we have to use the runtime namespace in the meta XML, which is not required because Omniscript has been moved to standard, right? So what you can do, we will simply deploy this. So it shows deployment has been completed, that means there is no error. Now let's go back and try to see how we can use this inside an record page or app page. Let me show what I have given it over here. So in the meta XML we have given it as record page. So I'll simply go to an account and we'll see this, how we can embed this from the account. So I have an account Acme over here. I'll just simply click on edit page. It takes some time. Let's see for the web component. So what we did over here is that for the master level, right? For the master level we have given OmniStudio demo LWC wrapper. We'll just search it using this master level, and this is present over here. So I'll just bring this let's say below the action launcher, and for now it's not showing. Okay, now you can see that this has been showing that welcome Acme, and we'll just save it and we'll go back to the record page. So you can see that the thing has been shown over here successfully, right? And similarly we can try with other accounts as well. So let me try with another prospect account. So it shows global media. So yeah, this is all about how we can launch an Omniscript from an LWC, and I'll just paste the link of the help article in the description for your reference. And yeah, that's it for this video, and thank you for watching.